Hi guys! On the way na tayo sa Klook Travel Fest 2025 dito sa MOA. Sobrang daming buzz about best travel deals today. Pero ang tanong, worth it nga ba pumunta? Let's find out. But before anything else, it's me again, Sergio, your travel and lifestyle vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries.
Hello guys and good morning from Pasay. So right now we are here at SM MOA at attend tayo sa Klook Festival 2025. So the reason bakit tayo pumunta rito is because may upcoming tayong travel to Japan and they're offering good discount. Nandiyan na yung buy 3 get 1, buy 1 take 1, 50% off. 50% off on hotel, attraction, and activities, no? So, yung mga na-mention ko kanina na buy 3 get 1, yun yung mga activities naman, no? If I'm not mistaken, nandiyan na yung Ngongping, nandiyan din yung Madame Tussauds sa Hong Kong. I suspect meron din Gardens by the Bay because last year ganun yung mga activities na na-avail natin sa Mega Mall. Pero this year, ang napansin ko is maraming participants, no? So hindi lang Metrobank ang participating bank, no? Nandiyan din ang BDO. Tapos may Maya din, no? May GCash. So hindi lang siya nagfo-focus sa isang credit card. Almost lahat ng bangko is nagpa-participate dito sa Klook Festival 2025, no? So if you have time, so tomorrow pa naman hanggang which is October 11 to 12, mayroon pa namang Klook Festival 2025. Pero ang advice ko sa inyo, if mapanood niyo tong video, is mag-book na kayo sa Klook app ng inyong ticket for the admission doon sa sa Klook Festival, no? Kasi hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok doon, not unless meron kang ticket. So, as per checking, meron pa naman mga available, pero last year, nung event sa Mega Mall, may mga narinig ako na may mga certain dates na hindi na available yung admission ticket. That is for free, 0% off. So, imagine nyo guys, may staycation kayo, meron kayong ma-avail na mga buy 3 get 1, buy 1 take 1, and then mga 1,500 off pagka na-reach mo yung 8,000 or 10,000. So, it's a very good deal. Tapos, nagpa-flash lang kasi yung mga discounts, so hindi siya available kapag nasa bahay lang kayo. So, kung nasa naman kayo province, you can still avail yung mga promotions ng mga bangko like kung na Metrobank at BDO as well as Maya. But I'm not sure lang if nagagawa pa rin for this year because last year, fina-flash tapos sinashare na social media. So, yun. So, yeah, tara. At silipin na natin ang Klook Festival 2025. So, watch out for more content na paparating. So, tara, bababa na tayo. So, wala pa masyadong tao. Ayan. Papunta na tayo sa event. Sa may ano pala to? Diyan nagkakamali sa may bandang French Baker. So let's go and book some attraction, hotel, and then activities. Ideally, maganda talaga to sa first day because marami yung mga flash sale na pinifeature sa event, no? Pero karamihan mga hotel na nagbibigay ng 50% discount. So, let's go. Sana hindi lang siya katulad nung sa Mega Mall kasi yung sa Mega Mall medyo malala. Dami ng mga tao. Umaga pa lang. Siguro because Mega Mall nasa nasa center ng Metro Manila. So, marami talaga yung na-expect na mga pupunta. As for MOA, because nasa south area siya, so sana hindi gaano, kasi medyo na late na tayo, no? So dumating naman tayo ng mga 10:05, pero kasi medyo malayo yung pinag-parkingan. Wala na kasi dito yung mga open parking, no? So medyo so ito na siya. Ito na siya. Ito na. So let's go!
Ito na guys, kita nyo yan? Yan ang Klook Travel Fest 2025 happening right now dito sa MOA from October 9 to October 12. Open yan from 10 AM to 8 PM. Grabe, ang daming tao, mukhang maraming pasabog sa loob. Tara at i-check na natin.
Hello guys and good morning from SM MOA. So right now we are here at Klook Festival 2025. So ito po yung entrance niya, no? So dito po kayo papasok. Dito sa may ito pong tinuturo ko ngayon is the queuing area wherein dyan po kayo mag-register. Tapos if you don't have admission ticket, tapos they will assist you pa sa booking assistance booth, no? So kaya tinawag siyang queuing is because you will present your admission ticket, tapos papafill outin kanila kayo ng form, and then after that you'll get a
parang booking assistance number where you're going to present it sa entrance dito kay Kuya Guard, and then once na nakapasok na kayo dito sa entrance, may kita nyo may mga table 1 to 20, no? So on the left side 10 booth, tapos on the right side it's another 10 booth, no? So once na nandun na kayo, check nyo lang yung TV screen and then magpa-flash doon yung number nyo. So I'll show you, let's get inside. So nag-flash na kanina yung video 50% off. So I'll show you na lang the promo code, and once you have video credit card as well as video debit card, you can use it, tapos matik na yon na magkakaroon ka ng 50% off, no? So flash ko na lang mamaya yung code. I don't know if applicable yun kasi may certain time lang yun eh. And then right now fina-flash na rin sa screen is yung buy one take one na Madam Tussauds. Hopefully mamaya may pakita pa tayo mga screen wherein fina-flash yung mga hot deals. So let's go inside na para matur ko kayo sa loob. Tsaka kung anong i-expect nyo rito sa Klook Festival 2025. So tara! So once you get inside,
show your booking information after redemption route to get your claims out. Again, just show.
so you'll see this booking assistance table from 1 to 10. Then you'll see here yung screen, no? Kung ano may mga currently na sinaserve na nila, no? So right now, wala pa masyadong tao, pero on Saturday and Sunday, expect na mas marami. So here naman, ito yung tinatawag nilang redemption booth, no? So here, once you book na po yung activities and accommodations nyo, even yung mga tours, you'll get something in return, no? So may mga paraffle yan, tapos after that, after ma-register yung name nyo sa form, papabunutin nila kayo for the raffle draw, no? So naman is the table 1 to 11 to 20, no? So here you'll see a lot of tables as well as yung booking assistance screen, no? Tapos here are the ongoing promotions, no? So ito, tingnan nyo na lang guys. So nag-launch din sila dito ng Klook GCash travel card, no? So on top of that, yung video which is na-reveal na kanina. So here's naman is the another all-day promos.
Ay, ganun.
Tomorrow ulit meron tayo.
Ay, hindi naman in-advise.
Ay, natin po sa schedule natin, actually.
Online.
Okay. Yun nga.
So yeah, basically, ito yung first part ng Klook Festival, which is the booking assistance booth, no? So yun. Tapos, don't forget, after you successfully book your tours, attractions, at saka hotel, redeem nyo lang yung raffle draw nyo rito sa redemption booth. Tapos, we'll go on the second part of our Klook Festival. So, divided kasi siya into two. So, here's the entrance. So, ito yung entrance niya, guys. So, here, nandito rin yung mga promotion codes na finlash natin kanina. And then, here, let's go inside na, guys. Kasi may mga activities dito. Tapos, nandito yung part wherein they're, showing the promotion codes for the hot deals, no? So, lapit natin yung screen. Ito siya. So, yun yung mga promo code. May mga certain time lang yan na pwede gamitin. So, ngayon, it's 1:05 na. Pero, they'll still, flashing the promo code. Probably extended yung promo code for this activities, no? So, we do have Legoland Discovery Center ng Hong Kong, and then also yung Madam Tussauds Hong Kong. Buy one, get one na yan. Tapos, when you go here, you'll see the Sunworld booth. So, yun yung mga pwede nyo gawin. Makakakuha ka dyan ng free Klook eSIM for Vietnam. Take a photo and video dito sa Sunworld booth. Then post them on FB, IG, or TikTok. Share and why you plan to visit Sunworld attractions like Fansipan and Bana Hills. So after that, you're going to tag Klook PH on IG or TikTok. Sa Klook naman sa FB, at Sunworld Bana Hills, no? Use this hashtag Klook Travel Fest 2025 or hashtag KTF 2025. Okay? So, yun. Then we have here Disney Adventure, no? So nakakuha kayo ng 8,500 voucher when you do these steps, no? First, book a Disney Adventure. Ito yung cruise on Klook and scan this to book, no? So scan nyo yan, tapos mariredirect kayo dun sa Disney Adventure sa Klook. And after that, show this booking confirmation to the Klook staff and redeem your Klook voucher and use it to complete your Singapore travel by booking hotels or activities. So easy pala siya, no? Hindi siya parang raffle draw. So exclusive lang siya dito sa event na to. So ito yung booth, no? This is where you're going to take your photos, pero hindi na siya part ng mechanics, no? So yan. So punta naman tayo doon sa may left side ng ating Klook Travel Festival, no? So here naman is another screen, pero dito fina-flash lang yung mga ideas on local, yung mga routes na pwede nyong maging guide, and then also ano yung mga articles na nilabas sa mga content creator wherein makakatulong sa inyong upcoming travel or if napaplan pa lang kayo, yon. So it will help you a lot, huh? So here naman you have here GCash booth. So there are plenty of activities here, as well as yung Klook GCash travel card na, so ito yung mga perks niya, no? So 10,000 worth of Klook voucher, welcome pack worth of 5,000 automatic Klook rewards, it's also worth of coupons, and 3 times more Klook, and low forex rate. So kahit naman hindi na Klook GCash card perks, we all know naman talaga na maganda yung offer talaga ni GCash when it comes to withdrawing abroad, no? So yun. So here's the steps. So scan this QR for more details, book the wait list, e-ticket for free, turn on your Klook push notification, and subscribe to Klook email newsletter. Wait to get notified once ordering opens in December. So yun. So limited lang siya for first time GCash Visa card holders, no? So ayun, so may mga activities din dito na available. Tapos when you go here naman, another booth is the Mandai Wild Reserve. Sa Singapore naman to. So yan yung mga steps on how to join this game, no? So first, take a fun photo or video on Mandai booth. Post them on social media accounts in FB, IG, or TikTok, and share when you like to visit Mandai in Singapore. Tag Klook Philippines in IG and TikTok, or Klook FB, and use the at Mandai Wildlife Reserve on FB and IG. Use this hashtag Klook Travel Fest 2025 or hashtag KTF 2025. So yan. Okay. Ang ganda ng booth. So here is the Ngong Ping. No, so there's another booth here. I think this one is the last booth na makikita natin dito sa event. No, so get a free luggage tag or IG Klook eSIM, no, for Hong Kong. So ganun din, take a photo or video, post them sa mga socials nila, and then use the hashtag Klook Travel Fest 2025 or hashtag KTF 2025. So as of now, flash pa rin sa screen yung mga buy one and get one promo or hot deals nila. So if you don't have plans this coming weekend, on October 11 and 12, make sure to visit Klook Travel Festival 2025. This is for free, guys. So just make sure na before kayo pumunta dito, you already book your parang entrance ticket, no, or admission ticket. So that's for free, guys. So say hi to my viewers.
Hello po! Ano pong name ng mga viewers?
Well, yung vlog ko po is Set Travel Vlog po.
Set
Travel.
Set Travel Vlogs. Hello po sa mga
So
viewers.
watch out for kay Sir GM yung mga Thailand niya.
Yeah, salamat po.
Thank you po. So just a quick recap, no? So ang makikita nyo rito sa event na to is yung buy 3 get 1, buy 1 take 1. Buy 1 get 1. They also have 1,500 worth of voucher discounts, no? So for video, tapos I think meron din sila sa Metrobank, Maya, and then GCash as well. Then on top of that, may mga flash deals din sila, like yung mga hotels natin, like naka 50% off, no? And then if you are into traveling, you'll see a lot of travel content creator here on the Klook Festival 2025. So don't miss out this opportunity because this is once a year lang na nangyayari, no? Tapos on top of that, ang daming mga promotions and then activities na pwedeng gawin dito. Nakita na natin yung mga booth. So yun, kung wala kang plano this coming 11 and 12 of October, plan to visit this one na, no? Tapos I hope, no, it will help you a lot sa pagbubook nyo sa mga upcoming travel nyo because sa mga ganito opportunity, minsan lang to dumating. Tapos usually 5% discount na binibigay ni Klook. So that's all for today, guys, and see you on my next travel vlog. Bye bye.